6 envelopes and a stack of cash on payday can do something no budgeting app has ever managed: make overspending physically impossible. Every app you've tried does the same thing. It shows you where the money went. It never once stops the money from going. The envelope method flips that. The day your paycheck lands, you turn part of it into actual cash and split it into envelopes, one per spending category, before a single dollar reaches your checking account. The method itself is 5 steps, and none of them need an app. Pick your categories: groceries, gas, going out, whatever actually bites you. Withdraw that budget in cash on payday. Label an envelope for each one. Spend only from the matching envelope. And when an envelope is empty, that category is done for the month. No exceptions, no borrowing from another envelope. Picture payday itself: a stack of bills counted out on the kitchen table, sorted into envelopes labeled in marker: groceries, gas, fun money, before any of it can quietly leak into just this once. Compare the 2 ways people actually spend on going out money. With a card, the number in the app slowly creeps past budget because swiping never quite feels like spending. With cash in an envelope, you feel the limit before you hit it. Zoom out to a full month, and the pattern is obvious. Card spending in a flexible category tends to drift upward past the budget line week after week. The envelope caps out flat, right where you set it, because after that, there's simply no cash left to spend. Multiply that gap across 2 or 3 categories, and it adds up to real money, often staying in your pocket instead of leaking out through a card you don't feel. You don't need more willpower. You need the cash to run out before your excuses do. That's the whole trick. Turn part of your paycheck into cash, split it into labeled envelopes on payday, and let an empty envelope, not willpower, be the thing that stops you from overspending. Try it with just one category this month, the one that always blows your budget, and watch what an empty envelope does that a budgeting app never could. Follow at the _finance_decoded for more money, decoded in plain English.